Hi everyone, it's Royce. I just wanted to make a little video because my Publishing Goblin Oracle Dice second edition has arrived, and I wanted to open it up and share the excitement with all of you. So I apologize if I am whispering a little bit. I've got the volume turned way down on my microphone because the vacuum is running. So hopefully that's not coming through too much. But anyway, I just couldn't wait to open it. So here we go. I don't even remember what I ordered. I don't think I got the box, the wooden box. But I did get some other things. So, all right. Oh, this is the postcards people have been talking about. All right. So we've got. Okay. Here's the book. Ooh, this is. Let's see if I can hold it so there's no glare. This is really nice. Look at the characters. Ooh, that's really cool and creepy. Wow. Okay, I have to very carefully. This is just something else. This is gorgeous. Ooh, oh, and they've got, oh, the little things along the side. Wow. Wow. That is something. Okay, what else have we got in here? Okay. It comes in a little box. Not that I need more card boxes. But it is nice to see. Okay. And then it's the tricky part. How do you open it? There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Can I just go ahead and... I have to get my scissors again. This video is really just Royce struggling with plastic. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, Allie, man, that's cool. Wow. This is really cool. These are gorgeous. So I'll have to decide whether I want to, keep these separate or if I want to, oh, that's really neat. Mix them in with my patchwork deck, sort of integrate the two oracles. Wow. Okay. Very cool. We haven't even gotten to the dice yet, so we'll save them for last. People have been talking about how the cloth is nice, and wow, it's so thick. Wow. Oh, it is. It's like soft. It's like double sided. Wow, this is almost like a little blanket. You want to cuddle up under this. So soft. Really nice colors. Whoa. Very neat. Well, very curious to learn how to use both sides. That's really, really neat. Okay. And like I said, I did not get the wooden box because I anticipated wanting to, customize this collection, so learn these dice, but then, add other dice. And if I did that, there's no place for me to do that, so. Ooh. Is there anything like a handful of dice? They're also pretty. Oh, and here's the weird one. Wow. Symbols are really clear. Wow. They've been updated, yeah, because I recognize some of these from the other version that I have, but wow, cool. Well, I am really excited to dive into this and figure it out, but this is just the coolest. Oh, fun stuff. Well, thanks for sharing this moment with me. I got to open it up for the first time. I wish I had time to play with it right now, but I'm working on something else, so it'll have to wait. Cool. Well, let's just do one little thing. Let's just roll like one random die and see what we get. Okay, this is the orange one. I got a scribble. Let's see if we can figure out which one that is. Longings. Okay, this is movement. Movement is a wild spiral of flinging motion, a circle broken into many smaller circles, impossible and swirling in its own messy need to never stop. Well, I am working on a lot of different things right now. So, nothing can stay stable. Nothing can settle down. I must keep going. That's definitely where I feel right now. So, thanks for seeing me in this moment, Oracle. Well, all right, well, I may do some more content with this in the future, but mostly this is just for me to enjoy and use. So, all right, thanks for being here with me.